No matter the real estate market, even when the buyer pool is like shooting fish in a barrel, there are things that you can and should be doing to maximize the resale value of your home. Now I know what you're thinking, but Ron, I haven't even updated my home in 20 years. Why should I do anything when the buyer is just going to come in and change it all anyway? Here's why. I promise you it will make a difference in how much money you get back, the type of escrow you enter, the terms, and the whole escrow process. It all leads to how the buyer perceives your home and the value they perceive in your home. There is a difference between a buyer who loves your home regardless of the need to update and do things to it to make it their own, versus the buyer who is just an investor or a big corporation who's coming in and buying up homes to flip. There is a huge difference. So here are 5 things that you can and should be doing to maximize that resale value. Number 1, get rid of the junk. Nobody wants to come into a home that has cluttered pathways, so much stuff on the ground or in rooms that you can't see the furniture or can't visualize your own furniture in the space. Can't visualize the potential of the space. So declutter, get stuff out, put it in the garage, go get storage, have a garage sale, whatever. Work with your agent to declutter and make some space. Number 2, touch up the paint. Nobody wants to see scuffed walls, peeling paint, maybe small holes in the wall from years of use. Make these small repairs, touch up the paint. The cost of painting out a room is so little in the amount of value that it actually adds to the home. Because remember, the goal is to not only increase the value of the home, but is to decrease the amount of negativity that a buyer might perceive when they walk into your home. And adding a little bit of paint can do just that. Show off your home's assets. This is where it's important that even if you're in the mindset of whoever comes in here is going to redo my home anyway, you have assets to your home. Maybe you've got a huge backyard that you really haven't done a whole lot with, but there's a lot of potential there. Highlight that. Make sure it's clean and people can see the potential in it. Maybe you've got a great room or a bonus room that you've never really used for much of anything other than a hobby place. Clear it all out. Make sure people understand the actual size and openness of your home. Lots of windows, lots of light. Whatever those attributes might be, highlight them. Number 4, light it up. Nobody wants to walk into a home that's dark and dreary. If you have issues with natural light, make sure you've got lights accenting each room. Make sure if you've got dark paint, you've repainted it with something a little bit lighter that helps reflect available light to it. Makes a huge difference. People will walk in, it makes a room and a home seem much more inviting. Number 5, make it feel like a home. Consider some light staging or even some major staging if it'll make a difference for you. Consult with your agent, consult with a stager. The more you can make your home look like it's lived in without making it look lived in, if that makes sense, it makes it, again, more inviting to buyers who walk in. They can see themselves in your home. They can see their furniture in your home, in the rooms, in the bedrooms. So consider some staging, make it feel like a home. I hope these tips helped. I hope you listen. I promise you they will make a difference regardless of the overall condition of your home.